Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today, I have a very cool drone to share with you. Popeye, can you find it? Can you find it? Where's the drone? Boom, in my pocket. This is the FLITT drone. That is not a TV control. It's not a Snickers bar. It's a FLITT drone. There's the box that it comes in, but the idea is now to have a drone just handy with you all the time. Leave it in your car, leave it in your pocket, you know, take your wallet out at the end of the day, put it in your purse, whatever, and boom, boom, your arms fold out, you've got a drone on you. You want to get a cool little shot of a view that you're looking at or a nice little selfie, this should be able to do the job. As a matter of fact, I've seen the camera quality on it. It looks great. It's advertised as 720p, and I think it's every bit of that. As you can see here on the bottom, we have a downward facing camera to give us a visual positioning hold. So it should hold very well even in light breezes, almost acting like a GPS. The camera itself is on the front. We can adjust this manually here. So you can adjust it level or aim down a hair if you like. It actually aims down quite a bit, straight, almost straight down. Look at that, didn't realize that. And then it does not have a micro SD card included. You have to provide your own, but if it's right there at the top front of the drone, very sleek and low profile, you can have that card in there in your pocket and you'll never notice that it's there. It locks in place spring loaded. Now the battery is where it gets a little funny. Here's our flight battery. It's a 900 milliamp, 3.7 volt single cell LiPo battery. It's okay, it's a good size and everything, but it does have a very proprietary casing around it. The only way to charge it is through these little holes there on the casing, and then that's where it plugs into the drone too. I do like how it plugs in. It's very sleek, tucked away. It doesn't get in the way at all, but in order, and you lock it in place even with those little locks. That's super awesome. But to get the battery out, it's a little harder. You have to unlock that and then just kind of pry in here on both sides till it wiggles out. Took me a while to get used to. Once you do, it's not so bad. The charger is just as proprietary here through a little USB cable, and that's nice, but the USB cable just goes to a proprietary bay, and then you have to plug this in. And bear in mind, you've got to press pretty hard until it snaps all the way down in there to get a good solid charge. The FLITT drone does come with 4 spare props and some prop guards. So if you're totally new to flying, pop those guys on there and they're gonna be like training wheels for your drone. We're gonna opt out of those today, hoping that after hundreds of drones, I should be able to fly this. Now, here's the kicker, something you guys are not going to love. It has a nice instruction manual, but you notice I'm not pulling out a transmitter. This just flies from your phone. No dedicated transmitter at all. Now, to some people that's okay. To a lot of serious hobbyists that like drones, they don't like that. Again, this guy is marketed to be this drone that, watch, batteries in, arms fold in, and then go on a hike, go around the little park with the dog. You got your drone with you. So let's see if we can really apply that to this. Now here's an interesting thing. It's called the FLITT drone, but through a little bit of research, and I do mean a little bit of research, we found out that this is backed by Yixin. They're a pretty good toy grade brand. And here's the, jeez, I almost dropped it. Here's the really.
That was really dramatic. And all I could see was your face during that. So that's
oh my gosh, I caught it.
You caught it.
The crazy thing is, we saw this on Tower Hobbies. I've never seen this brand of stuff on the Tower Hobbies website before, so I think they're trying to separate themselves as a little bit more of a quality drone here. The FLITT drone. When you see the camera quality, I think you'll be slightly impressed with it. Really nice.
Can't believe Nathan's actually flying a drone with his phone. Phone blown drone. You're doing it, Nathan.
Here.
Come over here so they can hear you. Don't step in the dog food.
Here's the issue. Everything is opposite because this is supposed to be facing you when you take off because it's a selfie drone. So let's see. can I... It's holding really well. I'm just flying it opposite. Okay, I'm gonna land it and take off holding it and show you guys this. This is pretty cool. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Are you recording?
Yes, still recording. It is holding really well. Let's lower the altitude a little bit. Look at this. Now we're in some shade right now and the clouds are being kind of funny, but check out the camera quality. Look at that.
Cool.
Yeah. This is probably one of the best phone flown drones I've ever had my hands on. Now the interesting thing is that I didn't realize until I got it in the air is you have to face you when you take off. So the drone really should always be facing you because it's a selfie drone. And now the controls, the camera's facing me, but as I push away, it goes away. Okay, when I took off the other way and the camera was facing away from me, as in 99% of all drones I've ever flown, it threw me off because I just didn't realize what was going on. Now we don't have yaw control on here. Maybe in a more advanced flight mode we would have that. So let's go to settings. You guys look at that camera quality. Oh, when I hit settings, it auto landed. So let's see what goes on here. Well,
thanks Popeye. You brought it all the way back.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, buddy.
I missed it until the very end. He carried it. Good job, buddy.
He gets so excited.
Well, he carried the thing all the way back to you.
Let's hit record again. I'll take a picture. Let's fly up. This flies really well. That's going to be a little slanted because the wind is pushing us, but I want to snap a photo. Boom, picture. Looks good. No, because it's facing away.
Oh, okay.
And now video. So video is fired back up.
You can fly it normally.
I can. You just go to the settings and change orientation to be away from you. Very cool, very cool.
So are you flying with joysticks or are you tilting?
I'm flying with joysticks. Okay. There's a makeshift one joystick. I'm using my right thumb. I'll just step out here and show you.
Can't see you. I'm too high for the drone. Okay.
All like that?
Yep. It's thunder.
Yeah. So very, very, very easy to fly. The altitude hold and position holding is doing a really good job. The visual positioning system on board is amazing. I'm not adjusting any controls right now. We have a light 2 to 3 mile an hour breeze. Normally a drone would be getting taken away with this, but not in this case. Very cool. Now we are going to get a pretty short flight time, but it's long enough to get your selfie shot that you want. Let's see, there's a little energy icon in the corner. Let's hit that and see what it does. Apparently nothing. It does nothing. Super easy to fly drone. We have low, medium, and high rates. I'm in the highest right now. Let's see how quick it'll fly. Very nice little drone. Definitely meant to be taken off while facing you and flown as a selfie drone. There's no return to home. There's no GPS or anything on here. But it does have a visual positioning hold, which is why it's just hovering there perfectly right now.
So when it's in selfie mode, is it like a headless mode? So right is right?
Yes.
Like because it's facing you.
Yes.
Right is your right, not
yes,
the drone's right.
That's exactly right. So it's very easy to fly.
That's good.
Yeah, we have an auto land button. It tells me that our memory card has 98% space left on it. And we do see that our battery is flashing low now. So Abby, you're probably gonna get 30 seconds of flight. So I'm at the camera now and Abby's flying it with my phone. It's actually working really, really well. I think this is to compete with the Rise Tello because the Tello is about $100 and this is doing what the Tello will do. But, oh, there it goes, auto landing. That was you. How did you get it to rotate? Oh, the little arrows. Oh, well, you're doing yaw control. Jeez. I didn't know you could do that. Well, good job. You figured that out. Yeah. Okay, so you do have yaw control. I didn't realize that at all.
It doesn't adjust very well with the light.
No. It's like as a cloud came by.
Yeah.
Yeah. It hovers really well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And I think the camera quality looks great. Your Wi-Fi feed is very usable. And Abby's just flying with Wi-Fi right now. She's not even looked up at the drone, which I'm following at line of sight. I think it's a great little drone, honestly. So it's a good, if you want a selfie drone that's easy to travel with and get a selfie shot, very cool.
Selfie shot.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Look at that bump. Abby's showing off her bump right now.
34.5 weeks.
Ah.
At time of filming.
Wow.
Holy moly.
Big bump there.
Big bump.
What do you guys think? I think this is a really good selfie drone. They have a 1 battery option, a 2 battery option, and a 3 battery option, by the way. So the 3 battery option cost about $2 more at the time of filming this. What are you doing?
Looking at Papa.
Oh yeah, just laying there chilling. He loves being out here. The RC family, all here, all together. Everyone watching too. Surprised he's not chasing it.
He's tired.
Yeah, the 3 battery option, guys, was only a couple more bucks, so really good little selfie drone. Very cool. There he is. Okay, uh-oh. Try to...
He couldn't stand it that long.
That battery is super low, so...
Your transmitter vibrated, or your phone vibrated. I don't know if it's because of this or...
Well, even when it's on the ground, I still have a nice Wi-Fi feed. Guys, this is simple, but it works. And I'm gonna say it's pretty much perfect for what you would want a little selfie drone to do. There, I just turned the drone off, closed the app, tucked this away, got my phone in my pocket. We flew for like 5 or 6 minutes, right? Got some cool little fun shots, fold the drone up, and I'm on the road. That's it. That's what this is designed to do. That's super cool. Just how easily this is transportable, and you can take it just about anywhere. I really like that. Tuck that in the pocket of a backpack. It even fits just in a little tiny spot in my back pocket. These pockets button, and that fits in just one of the side. Look at that. Yeah, got my knife there, got my drone there. That's great. This is just something that you should have. The camera quality is good. That's what you want out of something like this, you know? We've seen drones that cost hundreds of dollars. They fly so well, they have gimbals, and then the camera is just total waste of money. This has a decent camera for that asking price. It just flew so well. The visual positioning worked spot on. If they were asking more for, look, it even says brand Hobbyco on the bottom. So that's cool. That's cool. I like this. I think you guys should pick one of these up. If not for yourself, get one as a gift for somebody. Christmas is coming, guys. We're not that far away, and you could get some early shopping done. This is a good little drone. I like this. I'll be holding on to this myself. If you want to pick one up, I'll have it linked in the description box below. And I just want to take one more minute to say thank you so much to everyone watching. I can't believe our channel has grown to the point it is now. I'll be honest, I never thought we'd hit that 100,000 subscriber mark, let alone 150,000 subscribers. And I don't think it's just subscribers. You guys are my friends, you're my family. When I do something wrong, you sure do tell me about it, and that's family right there, you know? We all can joke and laugh about it. You make fun of me, I make fun back. We have a good time. Family-friendly content. 1,300 videos, every single one of them family-friendly. I just love this community that we've built here, and it just keeps growing, and I'm so thankful. You guys are the best. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye! You're such a nerd.